on now.
Today we're at Whitaker Swamp State Forest in the town of Sanford. We're going to hike this 812-acre tract of land, going down the multi-purpose trail and then heading back up through bushwhacking a little bit along the way. Going to do a little bit of exploration today. Should be a lot of fun.
Woohoo!
And here's the Whitaker Swamp. Very cool.
Yeah. Oh, no, that wasn't it February. That's this month. On President's Day.
Careful on that ice there, Tommy.
Stomp on it really, really hard. He's in a thick spot, see those?
And you can see right in front of us here is the beaver dam, which has held back the water in the stream here, thus creating Whitaker Swamp. Spectacular sight here. And after checking out the beaver dam that made Whitaker Swamp, we're heading back along the stream, right down there. It's very pretty. Love following the streams. And Luann's crossing over here. Darren's crossing back here.
I'll just hang on to it.
Like the ballerina dancer.
Ta-da! And you can see the second swamp or pond out here in Whitaker Swamp. Right through the woods there. And looks like we have some old metal stuff here too. Not sure what that's from. From a time long ago, obviously. So I'm going to check out what this piece of metal is here we found. The old rusted piece of metal. It said Red Cross on the bottom of it. Not really sure what that means. Kind of a big old piece of something or other. I don't know. What a weird thing to find out in the woods.
Look at the attachments,
Yeah.
too. The long, these things right here. They look like giant.
Yeah, like hooks, nails or something.
nails or something.
Yeah, you can see this other little stream here cutting through, leading to the second pond here at Whitaker Swamp. Nice day today. Okay, we're setting up for the group shot here in this tree. Ay, ay, ay. Let me go share it climbing up.
Okay, now wait a minute. How the hell am I supposed to get over there?
How are we gonna do this, everybody? Let's go. Up and over.
I don't know if I can do it.
You could do it, girlfriend. All right, Karen, let's take this home. We're gonna take this home for our front yard.
That would look sweet in the front yard. Don't break it now.
Oh, we can't get it.
Just carry it right out, no problem. Hey, Tommy, you carry it, will you?
If you can get it out of there, Tommy, wow.
You can have it. It's
You can have it.
And we continue to bushwhack up to the highest point. Some nice cliffs up ahead. Big old rocks. And you can see over there the fog has rolled in at the top here of the Little peak here that we're on. Beautiful. And we made our way to the other end of Whitaker Swamp State Forest. Here on Gillette Road at the southern end. We're gonna be making our way back. We'll take the trail on the way back to be bushwhacked all the way down here. Great time. A lot of fun stuff to see on the hike today.
Woohoo! Woo! All right.
And after a brief stop at these rock outcrops for a little lunch break, back on the trail, head back to the cars. Woohoo!
Woohoo! Happy trails. Hi, buddy.
Hey,
Having
hey.
Fun?
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Yay! Hike lots and love life.
And that wraps up today's adventure at Whitaker Swamp State Forest. We hiked just over 5 miles today, checking out the ponds, swamps, rocks, hills. Fabulous time out there.
See you on the trails.
Woohoo!
Woo!